At Indian Creek Fabricators, we do work for the OEM, so we'll do anything fabricated metals from handheld to 50,000 pounds, all the way from weld, fabrication, machine, any type of coating, and then delivery. We can do just about everything in-house. We take a job that normally people would walk away from or they have trouble finding a solution to. We seem to do very well in that category. Our factory, our facility, our personnel here, I've always said this, I believe I work around the best people in the industry, and I think that sets us apart primarily because we are all under one roof. So we can do a lot under one roof that most people can't, so we don't have to send much outside to outside source anything. Our mission is to supply the best quality products on time for the customer to their specifications. Since partnering with Mcmillanco, we've seen a lot more as far as a higher frequency of quoting. So having someone like Dustin being out there on the road, selling for us, getting in front of customers, knocking on potential customers' doors, that helps us just to expand, or at least to have the ability to expand into different areas.